Hey yo mga boss, just 1 minute tutorial. Today is June 8 and I wanna show you how to do the daily swiper. Just follow my simple step. First, you need to tap the earn per tap button for 3 times. So you will able to see the daily swiper. The word of the day is T-O-N, ton. So for the first letter T, you need to hold for 1 time. And for the second letter O, you need to hold for 3 times. And for the third letter N, you need to hold for 1 time and 1 tap. So I hope this tutorial is help you to finish your daily swiper.